Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode is all about finishing that condo renovation. If you didn't catch the last episode, I went over the trim and flooring details, and now we're working on the final touches, including paint, tiling the shower, getting all the furniture in place, as well as the countertops and the backsplash. So I hope you enjoy the video. This is the third episode in the series, so I encourage you guys to check out the first two episodes first, and then I'll catch you up to where we are now. Enjoy the video. Now that all the walls and ceilings were sanded and prepped for paint, as well as the trim was installed, we went ahead and we sprayed all the ceilings in crown molding, flat white ceiling paint, and then we were able to cut and roll all the walls. The color we used was Unique Gray by Sherwin-Williams. We did that in a flat paint. I think it really brightened up the condo and brings it to that nice modern feel. After the bathtub was installed by the plumber and the flooring was down, we went ahead and tackled the subway tile. We just went with a 4x12 simple subway tile, but instead we did a brick pattern vertically up and down as opposed to horizontal, and we think it looks really sharp. Vertical is just a nice change of pace from everybody else who just does the horizontal brick pattern. To finish off the bathroom, we installed a 4-foot vanity with a tall tower beside it for storage. This bathroom had very little storage before, but now she has a lot. And we went ahead and installed a sliding glass door. Once the bathroom was basically complete and just needed some final touch-ups like lights and towel bars and stuff like that, we shifted our focus to the kitchen. We took out the old laminate countertops, installed new quartz countertops, including the one on the island. And we made that one a little bit wider in case you wanted to put stools there. After that, we did a glass mosaic backsplash. It has that clear glass look. It almost looks like a bluish color. I think it looks nice and clean. Fits the kitchen, fits the cabinets, brightens up the whole area. Oh, and I forgot to mention, all the doors got a fresh coat of paint, same as the trim. And then we installed new brushed nickel hardware on each door. After that, it was mostly light fixtures. We got all the light fixtures up. There are a few kind of useless electrical boxes that we added wall sconces to, and then we added two new light fixtures in the kitchen, a new one in the bathroom, as well as one in the front hallway there. At the end of the job, there's always a few little tiny random jobs you have to do. Number one, the air conditioning surround was these just ugly pieces of wood screwed to the wall. So I went ahead and used any extra trim I had left over and built a nice fresh frame around that just to clean that up. The old one was screwed into the wall. This one just comes off toolless, which is way more user-friendly. We also ordered similar quartz to the bathroom vanity to cap the step to the balcony, but we also added another step. This step out to the balcony was like 14 inches, over a foot tall. So we added an extra step the same height as the baseboard. We think it adds utility without bringing too much attention to itself. Oh, and who can forget the cat door? Gotta install the cat door, right? If you guys are enjoying the content, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. It would really help me out. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that like button, consider subscribing. If you're looking for something else to watch, I have a whole playlist on our shop build in progress. Thanks for watching.